What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Intuition. Today we are celebrating 1 year on YouTube. So I wanted to kind of go over how the channel is doing compared to the expectations I had when we started this channel and what I expect for the future. So the year 2020 this has been a year like no other, and I'm sure it's been the same for many of you out there with the pandemic and so much going on. And for most of you who watch my videos, you guys were also studying for the NAPLEX exams. And I know what an obstacle that was to get through. But for those of you who were able to hustle through, I give you guys a big congratulations because I know that wasn't easy. And for those of you who reached out to me saying that the videos have been helpful and that they helped you do well on your exam and help you get through it, I definitely appreciate that. That's a big part of what kept me going on this channel because making these videos is not as easy as it looks. It takes a lot of hours of editing and preparations to make a quality video. But it's definitely something that I enjoy doing. I thought about building this channel years ago, and I'm glad that I finally decided to do it at the beginning of this year. As far as my expectations before starting this channel, I definitely had high expectations, but I never had unrealistic expectations. Channels about math and learning are not typically channels that tend to have millions and millions of subscribers. So I definitely expected to have a slow growth, but definitely wanted to reach the people out there who have a love for learning and who want to gain a deeper understanding of how the world works. This channel is definitely all about learning. It's predominantly a math and science channel, and me being a pharmacist, I cover a lot of pharmacy topics because pharmacy is a very relevant subject that is a part of the sciences. So I'll definitely cover a lot of those videos, especially since I was studying for the NAPLEX. I decided that I will cover a lot of those videos and help you guys out there study along and get a better score. We're definitely going to continue to do those types of videos. We're going to continue to do some math videos and all types of academic videos. We're all about self-improvement and growth and basically becoming the best version of ourselves. So I'm definitely going to cover a wide range of topics, even some of the social sciences. You should never get the idea that one area of academic pursuit is more important than another. Really, they're all important, and all academic areas try to do the same thing. They all try to make sense of the world that we live in. So whether it's sociology, trying to make sense of people's behavior, or whether you're a physicist trying to make sense of the material that makes up the planets and the suns and how they revolve around each other according to certain laws and equations. All of that has one goal: to gain a better understanding of the world we live in and the universe that we occupy. And that's what this channel is all about. So I'm definitely glad that we've had pretty good growth within this 1 year. We are currently up to 586 subscribers. And according to the YouTube analytics, we've had over 10,000 views of our videos, and we've had about 34,000 minutes of views. So I'm definitely happy with that outcome. And we definitely look forward to continued growth and continued influence on this platform. So with that, I just want to thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for supporting this channel. Hopefully you guys continue to do so in the coming future. I definitely want you guys to continue enjoying the holidays, and hopefully we are coming into a much better year that's going to be filled with success for all of us. So with that said, I just want to thank you guys for being a fan of this channel. Continue to spread the word about what we do and what we want to accomplish on this channel, and continue to enjoy the year. And I definitely look forward to seeing you guys next year. So like always, stay curious, and I'll see you guys next time. All right, bye-bye.